If your vapor barrier is accidentally cut during a bathroom remodel, stop and repair it immediately to preserve the moisture seal and prevent mold. Assess the full extent of the damage and clear any loose debris or torn fragments from the area without disturbing the insulation behind the barrier. Measure and cut a patch of polyethylene sheeting that extends at least 6 inches beyond the damaged area on all sides to ensure a reliable overlap. Use high-quality polyethylene at a thickness of 6 mil or thicker for durability and handle it carefully so it lies flat without wrinkles. Press the patch into place and use a high-tack vapor barrier tape designed for polyethylene to seal all edges, running a second strip overlapping the first for redundancy where seams meet. Avoid driving screws or staples through the sealed area. If fasteners are needed, seal each penetration with a compatible mastic or tape to maintain continuity. Once sealed, check for gaps by feeling for airflow around the patch and correct any leaks immediately. The 3 most common mistakes are using thin or incompatible material that tears easily, failing to overlap and seal edges properly, and disturbing insulation which creates voids for air and moisture to travel. If the material is too thin, replace it with 6 mil polyethylene to ensure longevity. If seams are not overlapped and taped, lift the patch and add a minimum of 6 inches overlap and use vapor barrier tape to reseal. If insulation was compressed or moved, gently reposition it without bunching and replace any insulation that was contaminated or damp. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors, and we help people locate trusted local professionals for jobs like vapor barrier repair and moisture management. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share real job experiences, tips, and referrals to help homeowners and contractors find the right match.